Hi guys, welcome to this week's spelling list presentation. Let's get started. Village is a noun, a group of houses and associated buildings smaller than a town situated in a rural area. In a sentence, away they went through the village streets and out upon the country road. Except is a preposition, not including other than. In a sentence, I did all my chores except for one. Explain is a verb. Make an idea, situation, or problem clear to someone by describing it in more detail or revealing relevant facts or ideas. In a sentence, let me explain this math problem to you. Quick is an adjective. Moving fast or doing something in a short time. In a sentence, please try to be quick in getting here. Charge is a noun. An amount asked for goods or services. In a sentence, as a noun, is there a positive or negative charge? It can also be a verb. I need to charge my phone. Bridge is a noun, a structure carrying a road, path, railroad, or canal across a river, ravine, road, railroad, or other obstacle. In a sentence, the bridge across the river. Knowledge is a noun, facts, information, and skills acquired by a person through experience or education, the theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. In a sentence, the more you learn, the more knowledge you gain. Question is a noun, a sentence worded or expressed so as to eloquent information. In a sentence, I hope this example has been helpful in answering your questions. Do you have any questions? Equal can be an adjective, noun, or verb. The definition for it as an adjective, being the same in equally size, degree, or value. As a noun, the definition, a person or thing considered to be the same as another in status or equality. As a verb, the definition, be the same as in number or amount. In a sentence, the adjective, add equal amounts of water and flour. As a noun, we all treat each other as equals. As a verb, 4 plus 6 divided by 2 equals 5. Queen is a noun, the female ruler of an independent state, especially one who inherits the position by right of birth. In a sentence, the queen sat next to the king. Excited is an adjective, very enthusiastic and eager. In a sentence, students are excited there is no homework. Expect is a verb, something likely to happen. In a sentence, I always expect all my students to do their very best. Texas is a noun, a state in southern United States bordering on Mexico and the Gulf of Mexico. In a sentence, I saw my first cowboy in the state of Texas. Fudge is a noun, a soft candy made from sugar, butter, and cream or milk. In a sentence, I love to put hot fudge on my ice cream. Excellent can be an adjective or an exclamation. The definition as an adjective: extremely good, outstanding, as an exclamation. Definition: used to indicate approval. In a sentence as an adjective: the gymnastic results were excellent. As an exclamation: the food was excellent. Exercise is a noun: activity requiring physical effort carried out to sustain or improve health and fitness. In a sentence, exercise improves your heart and lung power. Quart is a noun: a unit of liquid capacity equal to a quart of a gallon or 2 pints. In a sentence, these mashed potatoes need a quart of milk. Liquid is a noun: a substance that flows freely but is of constant volume, having a consistency like that of water or oil. In a sentence, a hot day can turn your ice cream into liquid. Quilt is a noun: a warm bed covering made of padding enclosed between layers of fabric. In a sentence, my quilt keeps me warm during the winter. Expert is a noun: a person who has a comprehensive and authoritative knowledge or skill in a particular area. As an adjective, the definition is having or involving authoritative knowledge. As a noun, in a sentence, my mom is an expert at chess. As an adjective, he had received expert academic advice. Expedition is a noun: a journey or voyage undertaken by a group of people with a particular purpose, especially that of exploration, scientific research, or war. In a sentence, we are going on an expedition to the jungles of the Amazon. Aquarium is a noun: a transparent tank of water in which fish and other water creatures are kept. In a sentence, I have 1 rainbow fish, 2 goldfish, and an angelfish in my aquarium. Inquire is a verb: ask for information from someone. In a sentence, she went to inquire about seats for Saturday's musical. Frequent is a verb: visit a place often or to do something again and again. So it's almost like repetition, but it's frequent. In a sentence, this bus makes frequent stops. Advantage is a noun: a condition or circumstance that puts one in a favorable or superior position. In a sentence, it will be to your advantage to study hard and complete all your assignments. Then you can be like this little guy floating on the balloon with your advantage, superior position. Please don't forget to complete these 2 workbook pages in your Reading Street notebook. Good luck. Thanks for listening.